Jerred, you're leaving us.
I know, I'm sorry.
Give us one more Excel tip for the road.
All right, one for the road. We're gonna use the VLOOKUP function here. So this lets us filter and sort and search all through our data sets. So say we wanna look up some information on customer number 2 in our data set. We're gonna use a VLOOKUP function, and the lookup value is gonna be what we're searching with. I always like to make that an absolute value just in case. The table array that we're using is gonna be our table 2 that we made before. Now the column number, since we're looking for whether or not this was a promotional customer, is going to be column 2 because we're looking in the second column for our information. So column 2, and our range lookup is going to be false because we want the exact match on this. And we can find out that this is a promotional customer. We could do this for all sorts of things. So all we have to do is just change the column that we're searching in. So we'll change this to column 3 because we want to find out how many things they ordered. They ordered 1, and the net sales, which is column 4, I already know that, which means that we sold them $102.40 worth of stuff. So just like that, we can find out all the information that we want to about that specific customer.